What's up guys, yesterday's video was really bad. I apologize for pretty much not doing anything on the video. So today what I wanted to do is I want to go over a chart and explain to you guys the importance of looking at the price. Because I'm really passionate about this, because of the fact that many people think the news drive the market. I believe the chart is much more important than the news. And I want to show you guys exactly why today we have a perfect example of a news going really good in one direction, with the price doing nothing. So I'll show you guys, it's a good setup. And I'll explain to you guys why it's important not to only look at the news, but to look at the chart and the reaction from the buyers and the sellers all the time. So let's get right into it.
At about 4:30 a.m. this morning, Eastern Time, the CPI in Great Britain was released. This is supposed to affect the Great Britain pound. And as you guys can see, we've had a positive CPI, which is good for the currency usually. But I want to show you guys how this doesn't always reflect what you'll see on the currency pair. So the first thing I'll think about when I look at those news is always to find a currency pair that's going to be at the right position to trade, at the right location. So let's jump on the chart. And I've been following this JBP JPY for quite some time now. And I was always waiting for this level here, 138 level. And we've been bouncing off a couple of times between those two levels. That's about 1,000 pip of difference. And we've been just bouncing off, going back down, going back up. Now we've been coming back down. So usually I was looking for a bullish signal. But as you can see, remember that the news on that pair was bullish. And we've been just climbing down a little bit more. On other pairs of GBP CAD, for example, we've been going upward. And I do have a trade on this pair, but we've been going back upward. So as you can see, the feelings here are mixed. And that's when I won't consider news. Especially on GBP NZD, when we had this sort of range. But we've been bouncing off. And the news here had a bullish impact on that pair. People were willing to buy currency, were more aggressive when they were buying the currency. While on GBP JPY, which is at a level right now, we're just fading a little bit. This is when I'll look at this chart and won't trade anything blindly. I don't want to enter trades only because of a level. I want to make sure this level is going to be respected, unless we've had some great evidence that the level is going to be respected in advance. I won't enter any trade on this. And I'll just show you guys quickly that on the forward chart, same thing happened. So we've been in this kind of slow and steady downtrend that didn't make real pullbacks, coming back to the middle band of the Bollinger Band, coming back down, which is a sign of kind of indecision a lot from the buyers and sellers. So we do have to see what's there. But the main message of this video, guys, is going to be to help you guys not rely only on the news, understand the news, that we've had some good news in the market, bullish for the currency. But even though we have this, it doesn't mean the currency is going to go up. Currency might go down. And it's going to be your job to look at the chart and determine what you should do with this. You buy, should you sell, or should you just wait, possibly. This is going to be based on what you see on the chart and what the buyers and sellers are doing between each other. Are the buyers more aggressive or the sellers more aggressive? Here's clearly a sign of a decision. Just the range has been, volume has been decreasing a lot. Size of the candlestick has been decreasing a lot also. Been kind of going back to this level without any reaction. On GBP NZD, again, the level's not that huge. We still have some small moves, oscillation again, and we're approaching this level here. This level. And on GBP CAD, for example, we've been going between those two levels. And without having, although we have a clear range here, we didn't have any big reaction against level, right? Hopefully that gives you guys some value. If you have any question, comment below. Let me know any thought you have. That's going to conclude the video for today, guys. And I'll do my best to help you out.